Ndewono, hello, no, welcome. We're back again, and now we're going to demonstrate how to have simple conversation in Igbo language. Are you guys ready?
Yes!
Good job. Ndewo.
Adewo.
Kedu aha gị?
Aha bụ Kamsi.
Good job. Ndewo means hello. Kedu aha gị means what is your name? Aham bụ Kamsi means my name is Kamsi. Ndewo.
Ndewo.
Onye na-ekwu?
Obu Miracle na-ekwu.
Good job. Onye na-ekwu means who is speaking. Obu Miracle na-ekwu means Miracle is the one speaking. Ndewo.
Ndewo.
Kedu?
Ada Imma.
Good job. Kedu means how are you? Adem mma means I'm fine. For more updates like this, don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Goodbye.